Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
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 Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Thank you all very much for coming to our Nrsimha Chaturdasi festival. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna. So in this particular situation, Arjuna, he is on the crest of the greatest battle in human history. And he is feeling some second thoughts. He's having second thoughts about the nature of this battle. Because he is arraigned against his family members and his guru. And a good Kshatriya never kills family members, what to speak of his teachers. So he's in a quandary. On the one hand, he's a Kshatriya, and he has to fight a battle for the well-being of human society. But there has been, and members will be dead. So the Lord is stating here, in the 9th chapter of the Bhagavad Gita, that anybody who is engaged in the devotional service to the Lord is in a peaceful condition of life. He becomes righteous and attains lasting peace. Not only that, but he guarantees that he will protect his devotee under any and all conditions, that my devotee never perishes. So somebody might say, well, geez, this sounds good in theory, but where's the practical application? How does this apply to me in my life? After all, we are all faced with that world out there. And the more I talk with people, the more I'm understanding that it's getting worse and worse day by day. It's getting more difficult to find one's way through this world. I think all of us have that experience. That's why many of us have taken to devotional life. Because there's so much suffering out there, we're looking for some kind of alternative. We're looking for some type of shelter. We're looking for something that we can count on under any and all conditions. And so Lord Krishna is stating, yes, you've come to the right place, because my devotee, he never perishes, and he attains lasting peace. So we have two very nice examples. We have Arjuna. He decided at the end, after he heard Bhagavad Gita, that he was going to fight this battle because it was Krishna's will, and he understood that he was an eternal servitor of Krishna. And it was his duty to do whatever the Lord wants him to do, even if it's to fight a huge war. So Arjuna, at first he was thinking,
Om Reketvam Prithvirupa Pitavarnasi Om Reketvam Gorupa Lohitavarnasi Om Reketvam Kalindirupa Krishnavarnasi Om Reketvam Shri Rupa Svarnavarnasi Om Reketvam Saraswati Rupa Shuklavarnasi Paravasuru Inda Svastino Chutananto Svastino Vasudeva Vishnurdatu Svastino Narayano Narovai Svastina Padmanabha Purushottamo Dadatu
Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Hare
Stapane Vinyoga Om Bhurbhuvasva Om Agne Om Mangalanamagne Avahayami Sapayami Prabhu Kripaya Svagatam Kuru
Hare Krishna
Everyone can chant also.
Tadvipraso vipanyavo jagrivam saksamindate Vishnoryat paramam padam Om Krishna vai Sachidananda Gana Nayayidam namama Om Bhurvasvasvaidam Anantayidam namama. Now we chant Munivarya Stuti Priya Dasamen Singhana Shastu Mukham Lakshmi Mukha Priya Svaidam Nrsimhayidam namama Sarva Vidya Dipapatu Nrsimha Rasanam Mama Vaktram Padvindu Vadanam Sada Pralada Pandita Svaidam namama Guhyanam Mantranam Guhyarupadri Svaidam Nrsimhayidam namama Guru Mano Bhavam Patuda Svaidam Nrsimhayidam namama Paschime Patu Sarvesho Dishime Sarvato Mukha Nrsimha Patu Vayavyam Saumyam Bhushana Bragraga Svaidam Nrsimhayidam namama.
Hiranyakashipu, he represents our materialistic desires, our anartas. So we pray to Lord Nrsimha to sit within the core of our hearts, to annihilate our materialistic desires which stand in the way of our pure devotional service to Radha and Krishna. Namaste Nrsimhaya.
Namaste Nrsimhaya.